In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to liquify in GIMP. GIMP doesn't have a tool literally called Liquify like Photoshop does, but you can achieve the same look with its Warp Transform tool, which is the modern, non-destructive approach. There's also an older filter called iWarp, but today we'll focus on Warp Transform for the smoothest workflow and the most control. Start by opening GIMP, then head to File and Open to bring in your image. Give it a moment to load at full resolution. Working at the image's native size will help your adjustments look cleaner, especially along edges and fine details like hair and fabric folds. Next, duplicate your layer so your original stays untouched. In the Layers panel, right-click the image layer and choose Duplicate Layer. You'll now have a copy sitting on top of the original. This is your safety net. If you want, rename the duplicate so you always know which one you're editing. Toggling the visibility of the top layer is a handy way to compare your before and after as you work. Now choose the Warp Transform tool. You can find it by going to Tools, Transform Tools, then Warp Transform, or simply press W on your keyboard. Your cursor becomes a circular brush, which is what you'll use to push and sculpt the pixels directly on the canvas. Think of it like working with soft clay. Gentle pressure and small strokes give the most natural results. Before making any changes, look at the tool options, usually just below the toolbox. Adjust size to set how large your brush is. A bigger brush moves broader areas and is great for subtle body or background shifts, while a smaller brush gives you precision around noses, eyes, or tight edges. Strength controls how forceful each stroke is. Lower strength lets you build changes gradually and helps you avoid telltale warping artifacts. Choose the mode based on what you want to do. Move Pixels lets you push and pull areas to refine shapes, straighten a bent line, or nudge a contour. Grow Area expands a region. Use it to gently enlarge features or add volume. Shrink Area pulls things inward to slim or tighten details. Swirl clockwise and swirl counterclockwise twist the pixels, which can add energy to hair, fabric, smoke, or water. Work slowly, use short strokes, and keep an eye on nearby lines so they don't bend unnaturally. If something looks off, a quick undo will save you time. With a duplicated layer, careful brush sizing, and mindful strength settings, you'll get that liquify look in GIMP with confidence and control.